2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, tow hitch, stability control, backup camera, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, passenger airbag, child safety locks, power windows, MP3 player, electronic stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.